Hi guys, this is Gary from Robotniks. Today we talk about the latest update for our Voicesurfer platform. Voicesurfer is a service hosted on the GUSTAV Enterprise Low Energy Cloud. We have included now Japanese and Chinese voices. So let's demo. What you see here is the latest HTML5 interface where you can enter any text. And what I did here is that I have some words included for the German language. So this is currently German. And when I want to have text-to-speech, I can select one of these 6 German voices. And then I get back an audio file. So let's do it.
Für die Popwelt war es ein Schock. Paul McCartney verkündete vor genau 50 Jahren, dass er die Beatles verlässt.
Yeah, we can select another voice, also German.
Für die Popwelt war es ein Schock. Paul McCartney verkündete vor genau 50 Jahren, dass er die Beatles verlässt.
Okay, and for the not German native speaker, they do not understand what the voice is now saying. I can turn on now the AI translation and say, okay, give me an English voice. And as you can see, the red buttons are for female, the green buttons are for male. And now I want to have a translated text and also synthesized into English US. So let's do it.
It was a shock to the pop world. Paul McCartney announced exactly 50 years ago that he was leaving the Beatles. But why did the most successful band in the world break up? Was it really Yoko Ono?
I don't know if it was really Yoko Ono. And if you have seen that we not only get the synthetic voice here that I can listen and play back.
Paul McCartney announced exactly 50.
Yeah, I also get the translated text back from our engine. And that means that I can now edit the English translated text here with the second editor. And if I want to now to synthesize this again, I press the reset button.
It was a shock to the pop world. Paul McCartney announced exactly 55 years ago.
Yeah, have you listened it? Now I changed the 50 to 55 years ago. Yeah, and some technical information how we did this, is that as you can see here, this is the Voicesurfer main interface. So here we added any text, so the user edit text here, and then we make sure that we understand what we have to translate. So it's not a simply word-by-word translation that will fail for a complex translation like Chinese or the Japanese. And that was one of the reasons why we took over 6 more months to implement it. And after this NLP processing engine from language A to language B, we do the synthesizing model. This means we create here the audio file. And then we are not ready and final with the voice. We do a quality control. And quality control means we take a look if you have to compress the voice, if you have to move some artifacts, and if you do must do some equalizing. So the mid and the high tones have to be very clear. And yeah, at the end we pack everything into the raw file format and deliver it to the customer. So you do not care about this, right? You want to have an easy-to-use interface, and that is what the latest Voicesurfer gives you. And now let's jump into the Chinese, as I said before. And also I have here 5 voices, and what I really like is this voice here.
这对流行音乐界来说是一种震撼。保罗·麦卡特尼在50年前宣布，他将离开披头士乐队。但是，世界上最成功的乐队为什么会解散？真的是小野洋子吗？
Okay, we can now change the sounding and the voice art itself. So let's do it another voice.
这对流行音乐界来说是一种震撼。保罗·麦卡特尼在50年前宣布他将离开披头士乐队。但是，世界上最成功的乐队为什么会解散？
So, if you think that it's too fast from the modulation, you can press the reduce button here and synthesize again.
这对流行音乐界来说是一种震撼。
And now it's reduced from the speed of the voice. And we can do this, of course, at the last step here for Japanese. Let's try a translation and then a synthesizing.
ポップな世界に衝撃を与えた。
And the same, if it's too slow, we can bring it to the news station, or we bring it too fast, for example. We press now here the
ポ
button
ップ
again.
な世界に衝撃を与えた。ポール・マッカートニーはちょうど50年前にビートルズを脱退することを発表した。
Okay. Also, native speakers and native editors can now correct this, or you can change the German text so that it's synthesized to the target destination, the target language. At the end, you can download the voice and include into Final Cut if you Premiere or the editing software where you want to include this translated and generated voice. The business case is here. You have e-learning, of course. You can make your e-learning very, very easily now. You can reducing the cost for your tutorials videos. You can do advertising, and our customers are using for accessing more business market and all stuff like that. Yeah. So I hope you understand. Our next videos will, of course, generated by Voicesurfer itself. Stay healthy. See you soon. Bye bye.